to the bridge. Little fire truck. I did it!
Good job.
George, it thinks I'm hot. Look, George. I think Rabbit's don't need them more. You see my rabbit?
You gonna play with your cars?
Bluebird, come on.
Okay. Yeah, set Gilbert down. Good boy. Let Gilbert walk. Okay, put him on the ground. He likes to walk. You gonna put him out of the room? Okay. Come on, play with your cars. There you go. Let's see one do the jumps. Does it fit? Press the button. Let the car go down with the button.
Whee!
No.
Oh, the river! Oh, river! Oh, river! It's too big. Whee! Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock,
Tick tock, tick tock.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Tick tock, 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 tick tock. Tick tock, tick, tick tock, tick tock. Oh, we're gonna do the tock, tick tock, tick tock, we're gonna do tick tock. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, look, they moved. Oh no, how did it cross the wall?
How's it gonna cross the wall there? I think it's gonna jump. Oh, you should let it go down the ramp. Press the button over there. Oh.
I did it.
No.
Right.
Whoa. Daddy put that ramp a little bit high. Press the button. Press the button. No.
No.
Okay.
A car wash.
Car wash.
We need the car wash. Right there. It's a car wash. Oh no! How is it the clip? Right there. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, open the door. Tick tock, tick tock, open the door. Tick tock, tick tock, open the door.